And this is about marijuana. Hillary, what are your outlooks?
There are younger people here who could help me understand this and answer it. Go ahead.
What are your outlooks on recreational and medicinal marijuana? And how does it make you feel that states are now legalizing pot for both uses?
Well, at the risk of committing radical candor.
That's what we want here.
Yes, well, I have to say, I think we need to be very clear about the benefits of marijuana use for medicinal purposes. I don't think we've done enough research yet, although I think for people who are in extreme medical conditions and have anecdotal evidence that it works, there should be availability under appropriate circumstances. But I do think we need more research because we don't know how it interacts with other drugs. There's a lot that we don't know. So on medicinal purposes. On recreational, you know, states are the laboratories of democracy. We have at least 2 states that are experimenting with that right now. I want to wait and see what the evidence is.
Do you want to wait and try it? You said you've never smoked.
No, that I didn't do when I was young. I'm not going to start now.
Let's go to the audience. Another question.